Welcome to another video from Proper TV. In this video, you will learn 5 ways to make money online, where you don't need any prior knowledge and you can get started with literally no money. Before going any further, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such money-making ideas. So let's begin. Number 5. Print on demand. In this business model, you just have to create your own design, which can be used to print on products like t-shirts, merch, coffee mugs. After creating the designs, you have to upload it on to print-on-demand websites by creating your own store, which is completely free. Teespring, Redbubble, and Merch by Amazon are the best websites to start this business. If the design is sold, then you will get certain commission from the sales. When a customer likes your design and places an order from one of the mentioned websites, the company will add your design to the product, fulfill the order, and ship it to the customer. The best thing about the mentioned websites is that they let you list your design for free and do the marketing for you. Teespring gets about 18 million traffic on their website. Redbubble gets about 20 million, and Amazon gets about 2 billion traffic per month. So you just have to make a good, attractive, and trending design and should not worry about the traffic. To start the business, you first have to come up with a niche, which is very important. Your niche should have low competition and good search volume. There is a tool called Merch Informer, which can be used to select the niche with mentioned requirements. Next part is design. You don't need to be a graphics designer for this. You just need a good design tool. We recommend using Placeit. Link of both the tools is given in the description, so make sure to check that out. Placeit is very easy to use and very useful tool for the print-on-demand designs. Make sure that your design has transparent background before listing on the websites. Every time someone orders merch with your design, you will get the commission. And you can make this as a very good passive income source with zero to very little investment. If you want full tutorial of this business model, then make sure to like this video. Number 4. Digital products. A digital product is an intangible asset which you can sell repeatedly without restocking inventory. They come in downloadable files, such as a PDF, plugin, or interactive document. These products have become such a good source of passive income that many top professional influencers, bloggers are releasing the digital products such as guides, ebooks, templates, research findings, plans, and tutorials. So if you are good at something, if you have enough knowledge of some particular topic, and you have a confidence that this knowledge can be valuable to other people, then you can write an ebook or create a tutorial and sell it online. Or you can create a webinar and sell the access for that webinar. Digital product also includes softwares or a website which can be useful for the people. Suppose you are good at editing, let it be image editing or video editing. Then you can make some attractive templates of your designs which you think people will love. Then you can sell these templates for money from your own website or any third-party websites. Selling digital products is also a very good passive income source once you put in some efforts at the start, but you need to acquire the required skills first. Number 3. Freelance services. Freelancers are self-employed people who don't work at a particular company, but a lot of them. A freelancer is hired for a specific project, service, or task by the client. A freelancer works on a variety of projects at the same time, but for different clients. You can start working as a freelancer from your home, without having an actual job or without working for some company. You just have to have a laptop, internet connection, and a skill which you can sell. There are many good websites which offers good amount of pay for your freelance service. Fiverr, Upwork are some of the best companies for freelancing business. Link of both websites is given in the description box, so do check that out. To start the journey, you first have to decide the niche. You can choose anything you are good at or anything you have interest in. If you don't have any skill, then start learning. It will only take a month or two. After you decide the niche, Now you have to build your profile on the websites mentioned above. For starting, after getting a client, you might have to work for very less fees, sometimes even for free. But this is all till you build your reputation on these websites. After that, you can make a very easy money from your skills. So start learning new skills and start earning. Number 2, online teaching. Teaching online classes allows you to share your knowledge about subjects that interest and inspire you. Whether you're a musician, chef, personal trainer, nutritionist, carpenter, or something else entirely, you should have valuable skills that you can share with the world. Best of all, people are willing to pay for the knowledge that's inside your head. Let's go through how to teach online classes and earn money right from the ease and comfort of your home. To start online teaching, you need to consider few things. First, decide what you want to teach. Your niche will help you draw in a dedicated fan base that can't wait for your next course to launch. You could even make a series of courses, then bundle them together at a lower price point. Second, you need to develop some skills required for online teaching, like marketing, communication skills, ability to explain, time management. Third, you need to create your course. To create your course, you have to do some market research. Look which course providers are performing best on Google, what approach others are taking. You should outline your course beforehand. Now you need to sell your course. To do that, you can use 2 approaches. One is marketing the course yourself by promoting it on social media or by creating your own website, writing blogs about it. You have to learn good marketing skills as well. The second approach is partner up with online learning platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable. They will first review your course. Once approved, you don't have to worry about other things. You can check these websites from the links given in the description. Number 1, social media. This is one of the best ways to make big money online. You can use social media in various different ways. You can create your YouTube channel. Making career through YouTube takes lots of efforts at the start. But once you complete that initial stage, then there is no stopping you. YouTube pays you pretty well. Plus, you can use your audience your own products. Once you have built your network, then you can use YouTube automation. Using this, you can make money while doing literally nothing. Those who don't know what is YouTube automation, then make sure to check our video on this particular topic. Another way is to create theme pages on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest, and many more. Once you grow your audience to a decent number, then many brands approach you to promote their products through your audience, and they even pay pretty good amount of money. So these were some of the ways you can use to make money online with literally zero investment. Of course, there are lots of others. So if you have any suggestions, then make sure to put them in the comment box. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.